Well, good morning, YouTubers. If you're new here, my name is Flew Bias Monroe, and I've been living in Chupacabra here in my van for the last 3 years. We are currently at the RV relief place doing some chores today. Sorry for the loud noise, but we just dumped and we're getting some water here in Quartzsite, Arizona. And man, was it pretty cheap. It was like $11.30 to dump and get some water here at the RV relief. It's pretty dang cheap. One of the cheapest places I found to dump and stuff. Indiana, it was like $35 just to dump. That wasn't including the water fill. So yeah, Quartzsite is a little bit more friendly for nomads for sure. I'd say a lot more friendly. But today we are gonna do some choring. We're gonna hang out at Quartzsite a little bit. We're gonna do some laundry and stuff and find a place to take a shower and see what Quartzsite has to offer as far as amenities go for people that are nomads. So let's finish up filling some water and let's check it out. So I need to do some laundry and I need to take a shower. It's been admittedly way too long since I took a shower. So I do wash up here in the van. My shower nozzle on the shower back there is currently broken, which I need to order a new one. But I have been washing up in the sink in the bathroom back there, but it's been a couple of weeks since I actually had a proper shower. So we're gonna see if there's a place here in Quartzsite where you could shower on the cheap. I think there's a few places. There's a truck stop, and then there's the laundromat that has showers, and then there's a business that you could take a shower at for like $5 or something crazy. But I think today we're just gonna take a shower at the laundromat because we gotta do laundry anyway. So, you know, save myself a little bit of a headache and driving around to find some other place to do it. And as far as what I hear, I think it's like $11 for like 20 minutes to take a shower in there, which is about comparable to like a truck stop. So I think we're gonna hit that up and do that real quick here. And we're going to the big laundromat. You can see over here. That's the big laundromat in town, and it has showers supposedly. Also has some firewood. Looks pretty damn busy. Probably not gonna be able to find any place to park. We'll see if we can find a place to park. Hopefully we can get our laundry done in the shower in today, because this place looks freaking busy. Yeah. And as you can see, I got the everything broken down. We're washing all the blankets, the pillowcases. This is the first time that I've been able to actually clean the van since I was in Michigan. We're going to take full advantage today, and we're going to wash all the sheets, all the bedding, all the clothes, all the blankets, all the pillowcases, everything that we can, and be a good reset. And then yeah. But yeah, we're just doing chores today, so we're just doing the things we need to do. Washing ourselves and washing our clothes and dumping and filling and doing all things in Quartzsite that we can get done in Quartzsite today. Well, I got the laundry all done. As you can see, a big mountain of clothes on the bed. Setting up my shower bag. I usually try to take a shower bag with me wherever I go, obviously. I got my soap, my scrunchie, I got a clean towel in here, and I'm already wearing my sandals. So we're gonna go in here and pay for a shower and take a shower. Not a bad little shower area. The light up there is messing with the film. Not too bad. It's actually clean. Unlike Planet Fitness shower where they're all janky and don't look like they've ever been cleaned. So I'm gonna do my business and I'll get back to you. Well, we dumped the tanks, got some water, did the laundry, washed the body. Should be set on the chores for the day, besides folding clothes. So let's get this shit show on the road. And as you can see, got the van put back into a livable order. Got my all my clothes folded, put away, and now it's supper time. I haven't really eaten all day, so for dinner tonight we're gonna make pigs in a blanket because I'm an adult and I can choose what the hell I want to have for dinner whenever I want to have whatever I want to have. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for dinner tonight. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, those are pretty easy to prepare usually, and I usually like to throw some cheese in there. I know traditional pig and blanket doesn't have cheese in it, but I like mine with some cheddar. So, and I know this is weird supper, but I don't really care. You can never go wrong with a pig in a blanket. Well, guys, I'm gonna sit here and eat my weird supper and watch some YouTube like I usually do. Yeah, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I've been doing this for like a year, and if you made it this far in this video, you obviously like this kind of content, so do me a favor and subscribe. Because if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, then that means my channel could be monetized. So yeah, that's the goal here, is to, you know, make this channel a monetized channel, so I can you know, keep sharing with you guys and fund some gas a little bit along the way, hopefully. Sorry for the short video today. I just want to show you guys you know, some of the amenities that Quartzsite has here, and some of the things I'll be utilizing while I'm here. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more stuff in town that I'll do. So maybe I'll share some of that stuff with you guys in the future. Definitely, you know, subscribe, like, comment, come back and see us, because there's going to be plenty more of content like this in the future. And I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.